You know, when somebody is convincing you to join their Ponzi scheme, or when you are convincing somebody to join your Ponzi scheme, there is always space where it does not make sense, but you just tell the person, be positive, you know what I'm saying? Be positive, believe, be excited, that kind of shit, right? In the Christian, how does it feel to be Christian and Igbo when the things that you are being preached to you don't tally with other beliefs that you use? Then you desert the home essence, the home beauty, for outside external people, invaders, really. I know not to lie now. But now still you go still talk, say, Ana maluma, sina map one yilo. And a lot other examples of where the thing that you say does not even tally with the things that you are now being forced to invest both mind and your life, Africa's life. Okay, that's what you are investing into this Christian thing, this Ponzi scheme. It's a large investment you are making. Where's the game?